Hey, I'll be doing a Eastern Traildigger bike check 2010. Start out with the rims. So it's a double wall back rim and a single wall front rim. We'll go to the forks. They are Eastern forks, hollowed out. Cranks, Eastern cranks. Seat is Eastern pivotal plastic seat. We got a no tread burnout tire and a tread burnout tire. Sprocket is a Medusa, Eastern Medusa sprocket. And the bars, they're Eastern bars. 8-inch rise, I think 8-inch rise, and I don't know how long they are. I'll look it up and I'll put it in my next video because I'm getting new stuff today. So yeah, so I took my brakes off. You can see there's no wire cable coming up. Pedals are Eastern plastic pedals. I really don't care for them. The stem is just, I don't know what company it is. And the grips are terrible. And yeah, that's pretty much it. So comment and subscribe. Thank you.